Hey guys, back with another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be talking about how to fix the DC Judge boot. It's got the BOA coiler system on it. BOA was super cool. I basically sent him an email, let him know that I broke my coil when I was like getting out of the car or something. I'm not even sure what happened. I just went to tighten it up and it was broken. And they're awesome. They sent me a whole new coiler, whole new laces. So I don't actually think I need the laces. They're in pretty good shape still, the ones that I've got on here. So I think I'm just going to install the coiler today if I can get away with it. But what's really cool is they also sent me a whole other set, so I could match them on both sides, because this one looks a little bit different than the one that's on there. But I don't actually really care about any of that. So I'm going to set these to the side for now, probably use them for spare parts later, because I'm sure this won't be the last time that I break something. I have never done this before, so I'm just going to kind of get into it. First I got to get rid of some of the broken pieces of my old coiler that are in here, but I'm just going to jump in and see how it goes. So this might be a really awesome, like, professional looking video, and it might be a really terrible video. So wish me luck. So here I'm going to fish these little plastic bits out, the old tabs that are supposed to lock it in, but they just broke off. Okay, there's one of them out. Yeah, I don't know if that's in focus or not. There we go. At least you can kind of see it. But throw it out of the way, and then the other one right here. And I did look it up. They provide instructions in here and online for how to replace this stuff, so it looks fairly simple to do. Woo! Send that guy flying. Yeah, so I got my coiler here. It's the same kind of basic shape as the other one. It looks like it's got the same components, same height and stuff, so it should just kind of drop right in. So yeah, I'm gonna try to go ahead and install this guy. Here's those instructions that I was talking about. They kind of just show you the right way to coil it in there. Interesting, it looks like I've got a piece of wire coiled over it that's not supposed to be coiled around. I wonder if that happened when it broke, or if that was like that from something else. Probably not a great sign that we're off to such a rough start just to begin with. I guess since this one's broken, I'm just gonna snap these other tabs off, maybe? I don't know. Unspool this more around. Hey, there we go. I'm getting something going that way. Hey, I got it. Just had to pull on it a little harder. Alright, so basically, from what I read on the things, you gotta push this little guy forward. And it, yeah, loops. It's a piece out right here. And from there you can push this little loop forward to get down in here, and I can already see this is going to be a little bit of a pain for sure to get back in there. So once you're able to extract it out like that, then you gotta grab and twist everything back around. Alright, and just like that, we got it half out. So we are halfway done. I just need to do the other side. Popped it down. There we go. Now you just need to take this loop and kind of push it forward. Just like that. And that gets your tab out. Straighten this guy just a little bit. From there, you just do the same thing basically in reverse. There's the old reel off, guys. Got rid of that. Now we can install the new one. Okay, and then so step one, and I suspect this might be why they want you to use new laces, because these ones with kinks are going to be a little bit interesting to work through these spots. But I got a good pair of tweezers. I'm feeling pretty good that I can make it happen. I'm sure you can't really see it that well on camera, but that's because I'm kind of using my fingertip as well as the tweezers to guide it into place here. Okay, now we got it in there. Now the interesting part is going to be continuing to feed it up through there. Yeah, I was worried about that. So let me try to straighten this out a little bit more. Okay, there we go. Now I got it through with enough loop to potentially do something. And now the hardest part is doubling it back into this third little hole that it originally kind of worked itself out of, especially once you've done what I've done and kind of worked the kink back out of it to get it through the holes. Fold it over again, and I'll give myself a little more wire here to work with. But right there, I think I just got it. So now let me pull back on that to anchor it in. And yeah. Sure enough, guys, that's one side hooked up. Check my holes just to make sure I'm putting everything in the right sides. Would hate to have this all done up and then realize that I did it backwards. Okay, there we go. Got to pop through the other side again. Now I'll take a good length, and I want to look my wires, just make sure they're not crossed here, because they weren't crossed when I pulled it out, so they're probably not supposed to be crossed. Give myself a good little extra bit of wire here to work with. Push it right down into this hole. And the wire so far has been pretty stiff, so
comes through pretty good. All right, I'll pull some of the slack out of here, make sure I don't accidentally wrap around that tab. Okay. Go. Just kind of lined it up by eye a little bit there, and I think I got it far enough in that once I pull this through, it should lock like the other one did. There we go. It took a little bit of pulling, but yeah, and just like that, I got them both locked back in here. So now I'm gonna try to just twirl them back up around this dial like they were before, as much as I comfortably can here. Oh, come on. I want to make sure to be careful that I get them all on the inside of the little plastic locking tabs. And then I will just keep wrapping that around as much as I can. And then this piece goes in here. And you want to grab this outer rim here below the actual dial itself. And you want to just kind of snap that into place, I think. Just like that, I felt it turn. And yeah, I don't know if you can see this, but this is the toe part of my boot, and it's tightening it up now. And then when I pop this, boom. Nice and loose, just like before. I don't know, this one's not free spinning like the other one is, though. Why is that not? Well, gang. For some reason, it's not loosening up like it's supposed to. It goes on there and it tightens all right, but I mean, I am feeling it getting slightly looser when I pull on it. It's not like these where they just free flex. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this tab to pop. Oh. I did feel it kind of move with these tweezers. I don't know if it's moving or if I'm just sliding it with it. I don't know, I mean, they're different. Maybe they just don't quite function like that. I'm going to go grab my other boots, my other side boot that isn't broken. Okay, so got my old boot, functioning side buckle. I mean, you can see it has a little bit more free spin to it, but yeah, these, see, they loosen way up when I let go. So yeah, something is definitely not right with that other one. So let's see if we can figure out what I messed up. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna need a flathead screwdriver. Don't want to break the one I just put in, you know?
if they can tell me what I'm missing about getting this thing out. Okay, got it. Now let's see if we can figure out what the deal is.
So what's up? Why are we?
So it seems like the laces themselves are actually stuck. Well, they're not super stuck in the channels. They seem to want to have some freedom to go back and forth. So what's the do I just need to give them some more slack maybe before I tighten it up? That could be it. Maybe this one lace that was longer is supposed to be the same length. Because one thing I noticed is that this one free spins when I click it, like completely detached. This one just doesn't. It just doesn't work like that anymore. So I'm thinking that maybe, because there, yeah, if you look now, I got just a ton of slack on those guys. Alright, let me just test this maybe without locking it in this time. Just put it on there and see. Okay, it is tightening down. It's taking it a fair minute, but it's tightening down. Okay, now. Okay, look at that. It spun, came loose a little bit. So I think we did it, guys. There we go. I locked it into place. Boom, it tightens down. You pop it loose, you can see now it kind of has a tendency when it's up real tight. You can see now it'll kind of well, what the heck? I mean, it is working. It has some more looseness. Like I said, it just doesn't spin quite as much as the other one did. But it definitely is working now. And the main key was I just needed to give some slack to the dial. When it got ripped off, it must have gotten pulled really tight down here. And so just by giving it a little bit of slack, I was able to fix this, and now I got a boot with a totally working dial. So once the snow comes around again next year, I can get back at it. I just wanted to give a big thanks to BOA for sending me all the stuff that I needed to fix this. It definitely was not very hard. This was my first time doing it, and it only took me a little bit of work and effort to get through it. I want to thank DC for making such an awesome boot. I really appreciate really all their footwear. I've been riding them for a while. They don't like sponsor me or anything. That'd be awesome. But they do just make a boot that I like wearing year after year. It's I've slept in these snowboarding boots, and I really think that's about the best review that you can give a snowboarding boot. So thanks for watching. I hope everybody's staying safe out there. Definitely like, share, and subscribe to all of my videos if you haven't already. I really appreciate it, even though I hate saying it. And we'll see you on the next video, guys.